Everybody, we got just a few units we're going to do a quick down and dirty proof of life video on this evening. First up is an RDC. I believe this is an RDC 1. It's a Kato N-scale model. It has been fitted with an ESU V5 nano, as I've done on some previous installs. Basically, this unit came in, and the only thing I did was hardwire that decoder in. I added a 11x15 speaker, and I modified a Kato light kit, so it has interior lighting installed in it too, which we can toggle that on and off. Ooh, okay. Your red marker lights work on there. They are on F5, and they are directional. They work on both sides. This has V5 sound file SO584, which is an RDC sound scheme that ESU has. And without further ado, and there we go. Kato RDC with ESU look sound installed. And now we're going to move on real fast to the next one. Next up are two CSX ES44ACs that were sent in. These are identical install wise. Basically, it's an ESU 58741 board with two LEDs that have been added to it, and a 15x8 speaker and 3D printed housing, and you got some Kapton tape to isolate it in there. And that is the basic ES44 install that would also work with the C44 and the AC4400. And oddly enough, the SD70 Mac shares the same mechanism. The trucks are offset differently. And yeah, so without further ado, we'll hit F8. We'll put some lights on there. And all right, real fast, I'm going to switch to the other one just to show it's alive. And here's its matching friend. Sound file SO813, which is ESU's ES44 sound file, or one of them. They have several. Alright, there we go. A pair of ES44ACs with ESU low sound installed. Alright, next up is an AC4400. It's identical to the CSX installs, except for the owner wanted independent ditch light function on this. So those are wired in with 0402 surface mount LEDs with leads on them, and a dropping resistor bank in there. So you have your independent headlight, and then I think it's F5, you got that. So, and then BNSF does not have alternating flashing ditch lights, so that has been disabled. And there you go, AC 4400 with ESU loc sound installed. Separate ditch light functions installed also. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic evening.